We are a thriving high-tech enterprise. We are a quality-oriented technology innovation company. 10 years of craftsmanship, with vitality to inspire potential and quality for excellence. Focus on the intelligent manufacturing of panel furniture equipment. Witness the infinite possibilities of technology empowering dreams. Our production base covers over 30,000 square meters, with an annual output of 3,000 units. Here, advanced CNC equipment and strict quality inspection process, ensuring that each edge banding machine is a masterpiece. Laser cutting, CNC bending, robotic welding, CNC machine tools. From raw materials to finished products, every detail has been carefully polished. Professional technical team combined with strict quality inspection, ensuring the excellent and stable performance of each product. Here, the efficiency is not only a pursuit, but also a norm. At every single moment, we're poised for action. Technological innovation is our foundation. The R&D department gathers industry elites and continuously break through the technical barriers and carefully build an intelligent production platform. We continuously launch innovation and high-end intelligent edge banding products. We continuously create value for customers. Currently, CNSK's main products, including heavy-duty laser edge banding machines, soft-forming intelligent edge banding machines, heavy-duty aluminum wood integrated intelligent edge banding machines, 45-degree beveled edge banding machines, door and cabinet integrated edge banding machines, and many other series. With an innovative heart, we keep exploring. Over these years, we have received many industry authoritative certifications and honors. Over 40 core technology patents. With excellent products and services, the products of Chengnuo Intelligent Equipment has won the consistent recognition and trust of customers all over the world. Precision as art and innovation as the soul. Pursuit of quality and efficiency. We hope our edge banding technology can inject vitality and beauty into every furniture piece. Let the intelligent industrial manufacturing have indefinite possibilities. Chengnuo Intelligent Equipment, manufacturer of high-quality edge banding machines.